Gates open, they're up and racing. Jacqueline's Diamond, Mig's Best running by the rail. My Wife Knows All is sneaking in, then followed over on the outside by Mr. Slim. Magalang comes next, Blue Material, and trailing the group is in inner. About to pass the half-mile pole and now heading towards the last 600. Mig's Best takes up the running by about 2 lengths. Running in second on the outside, Jacqueline's Diamond by the rail. My Wife Knows All. Mr. Slim now getting closer in fourth, catching the third spot as they race at the last 450. Mig's Best still leading the field by about a length and a half. Then running on the outside now, Mr. Slim. In between runners, Jacqueline's Diamond, My Wife Knows All. And down the stretch they come. Mig's Best is still leading the field by about 2 lengths. Jacqueline's Diamond once again in second. Mr. Slim remains in third with 50 meters. Mig's Best winning this race over Jacqueline's Diamond. Mr. Slim, Magalang.
Okay, 2, 3, 5, 4 ang